This is the first episode of our new remodel series. I renovate a 1960s home where I build 2 new bathrooms, a laundry, and we reconfigure the layout for better use of space. Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to episode 1 of my long anticipated renovation series. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you can hit that notification bell, you're going to catch new content as it's uploaded and you're not going to miss out. The first step for any remodel project is to isolate the work area and make a start on the demolition. So what we're doing here is we are masking out this room, we are covering the carpet. We have to blast a hole through that wall. There's a new ensuite going in there, so we want to just try and isolate the dust as much as possible. We started this project in November 2019. It wasn't a complicated project and it only involved internal works, so nothing on the exterior, but there were still some challenges. And we mitigated these with good planning and a good workflow, and also being able to adapt to the unforeseen situations that did arise. You will see some of these solutions in upcoming episodes. Subscribe. One of those challenges was that the house needed to remain livable. With any bathroom remodel, that can be difficult, and in some cases, not possible. But on this project, we made it work. Here we are in one of the bedrooms, and this space here is going to be the new ensuite. Through this other side of this wall here is this bedroom. We're going to be putting a door in there as well. So back in the other bedroom, because we're losing the space by building the ensuite here, we're actually going to be removing this wall and extending this bedroom into the existing bathroom space. This wall is removed. And this wall here, where you've got this old shower, will get framed out. These doorways will disappear, and this will be the new wall for that existing bedroom. Right, so we come through here, and we have this narrow toilet space here. So we're gonna remove this wall here, remove this wall here, and this space in here. Hey Gary. Chris. There you go. So this wall disappears, these walls disappear. We create this new space from this wall back this way, close to here. In here is going to be the new bathroom space. In this little narrow bit that we've got here, this will be the laundry. We come around again and we're back in the hallway. The entrance to the new bathroom is here. This will be the new entrance to the bedroom. This wall gets framed up, becomes a wall for the ensuite. So that's the gist of what we have to do here. It's going to be a fairly straightforward run. Often with remodeling and renovation work, there's plenty of surprises in the walls. So far, so good. So here we've got an existing corner. This is a house that was built in the 1960s. So we are just fractionally out here. That there is impressive. But wait till you see this. Bang on. It's very rare to find a house of this age with walls that are still plumb and still relatively straight. We're on to a good one. When doing remodeling work, there's always the challenge with matching existing with new. I'm standing in the new ensuite bathroom. And this wall, this is going to be the back of the toilet. But on the outer side of the wall, we have a plasterboard bracing element. So in New Zealand, the wall linings contribute to the overall bracing of the building. The width for the calculation takes us right through to the end of this new wall. So what happens is in this room, this wall goes, and this becomes an exterior corner within the bedroom. Instead of trying to match in with the wall that's there, we've decided to remove it completely and build a new wall. The framing on the existing wall is 100mm. Our framing is 90mm that we're going to be using. That's going to give us enough room between the outside face of the framing and this existing framing to slide our plasterboard through. I thought it would be easier to go that way rather than trying to fiddle around with the existing framing. And that's all we have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got something out of it. In the next episode, I'm going to be framing the new ensuite. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Also, what are some of your experiences with remodel work? Have you got any nightmare stories that you want to share? Let us know in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss when the next episode drops. And check out my Instagram. Give me a follow on there. It's where I share what I'm doing, some exclusive content, and some of the collaborations with different brands and organizations. We'll see you on the next one.